Hey guys, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on functions, and it's a very basic question for now, but this was taken from the November 2017 DBE exam. So let's jump straight in. We are given the function of f of x equals minus 3 over x plus 2 plus 1. Firstly, we should note that this question is a hyperbola. Okay, but the first question just says determine f of minus 3. Now to do that, we need to take minus 3 and substitute it into everywhere where we see an x. So we have an x here, so we're just going to substitute it in there and then simplify. So we have f of minus 3 equals minus 3 over minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. We simplify and we get minus 3 over minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 plus 1. Minus 3 over minus 1 is positive 3 plus 1. So f of minus 3 is equal to 4. 1 mark, just like that. So that's it. But before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, you can check out our website in the description below. Just a quick shout out to our sponsor, Prolog Solutions. For all your export and import solutions, check them out in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.